Hello and welcome to this short video on a 3/8/16 male thread mounting plate with 5/8 inch baby stud adapter. This adapter consists of an aluminum plate with a 3/8/16 male thread on top to attach to a tripod head or any accessory with a 3/8/16 female thread. This plate has 3 set screws to lock the tripod head in place, and a baby 5/8 inch stud on the bottom for mounting in any baby receiver. Tripod? Where's my tripod? Instead, let's mount this camera onto a table using the adapter and a convi clamp. Let's mount the convi clamp to the table by first removing the wedge from the set screw and placing it into the V-jaw to make a flat surface. Now we'll place the jaws around the table and turn the handle clockwise until secure. Next, we'll mount this Benro ball head onto the plate by screwing the 3/8/16 male thread into the bottom of this head until snug. Now we'll secure the head onto the adapter by screwing in the set screws with a small flathead screwdriver. Next, we'll mount the adapter in the hex receiver in a convi clamp by pressing the silver button, inserting the stud, releasing the button, and turning the set screw clockwise until snug. Lastly, we'll mount the camera into our ball head and position it to our desired angle. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.